Hey you guys, it's us the Toy Girls, and today we're going to be showing you guys some of the babies playing with our new vending machine. I'm kind of like wobbly because I was just spinning. Okay you guys, so I got this little girl, Rosie. Now I'm going to get some other girlies. Summer, wake up. All the babies, as you know, were taking a nap. Abby, get out of bed. Summer, wake up. Oh, sweetheart. What? Oh, don't your butt. Do you want to make a YouTube video? Sure, when does it begin? It already started 1 minute and 30 seconds ago. Oh, that's weird. Because I wasn't invited to the beginning. Yeah, you were sleeping. This is what I do to clean her mouth out, you guys. This does not choke her. See, I got some dirt on there. So I'm going to change her now. This also kind of is a changing video because she can't play with her PJs on. Rosie can. She's in her morning PJs. She uses them all the time, so it's fine for her to be using her PJs on camera. Why can't I? I wear morning PJs sometimes. Yeah, but you didn't tonight. You just wore a baker's thing, a baker's outfit. And that's not good for playtime, because then can fall off during the video and then you're naked. But that's fine. You can just put me back in it. No. I'm going to be gone for part of the video. Oh. And if you fall out of it, you'll have to put it back on, or your sister. So, hey, why are we discussing this? Here. You know what? That diaper's not going to work. Ow. Why am I so itchy today? Oh, because I have the bug bite. This is a cute little shirt, like sweater. And I got these adorable little boot pants. She is wearing long sleeves and long pants because these are nighttime pants. So I'm going to get her in some daytime pants. Like this. These are good. Okay, this is for your butt because it has a tag. So let's pull your pants up. I do put them on their heads. I do put the kids on their heads sometimes. So it's easier for me to change them. Here, I'm going to make these shorts. There, they're shorts. Cool. I'm just going to wear a sweater. Sorry you guys, it's taking so long for me to change her. But you guys, the title's probably going to be long. I don't know. Title's probably going to be really long because I'm going to list all the babies' names, I think. Yeah. I don't know if I'm going to button this or not. but we'll see. Okay, you guys, I finally decided I'm not gonna button her. She's just gonna be like this. That's actually pretty cute. Well, anyway, let's take the girls down to the claw machine. That was kind of annoying, you guys. Sorry, that was probably one of the top 10 and most annoying sounds. Ooh. Yeah, that's very annoying. Okay, that's not really annoying. Hey, there we are. So, we got all the babies, and they're gonna be using the claw, you guys. Yeah. So, anyway, yep. So yeah, I do have a bag of Orbeez in here. Don't know if you guys can tell. Here, girls, sit down. Shh. Here we go. Girls, sit down. K. Put it all you guys in the shot. I got these fudge cookies if you guys are good. Summer, you already had one today. You didn't see you get one. And you didn't see you get one. Oh, okay. Oh, those were good cookies. Don't show your butt. There. So I will go first to show you. You guys already saw probably, but I'm just gonna show them for now. So you take your coin, put it in. The spinning machine does not open, so you cannot get your money back. Oh, there's already some prizes. That can't happen though. Oh, 3. You get this one, you get this one, and you get this one. You can eat it, because it's bacon. So I'll show you. Hey, Summer, will you hold the camera? Sure. There we go. Get a prize. Okay, these Orbeez won't come out. So, for example, this went in the water bottle. Then it comes out, whoop! Oh, got a prize! How many more prizes came out? 3. So I'm gonna give each of you guys one. You get this one. You get this one, and you get that one. Okay, Summer, I'll have the camera back now. In the comments, let us know if you guys like Orbeez, because this is frozen Orbeez. I'm about to mash them. Okay, ready? I got my American Girl doll hair brush here. Focus on the bristles. There. I will mash it up. It's not really coming out, but you can feel the nice bumpy texture. So if you guys want your Orbeez to stay fresh for a whole year, put them in your freezer. I promise it will not go bad. Because if you don't want to waste your time making them, just whenever you're done freezing them, well, whatever you want, it will probably be like ice, and then you can use them. Anytime you want, just put them in a bowl, and then you'll have water in there as well. So, anyway, why are we talking about Orbeez? I don't know. Here, so, here, you guys can move. Thanks. YouTubers, please watch. So, have this fake coin. This also works with fake coins. So I just shove it in the coin slot over here. Then I twist. Hey, don't get away. And my toys come out of the slot right here. You get that one, you get that one, and you get that one. So now we'll let Summer try. Those oldest to youngest. So that'll be you, and then you. First, let's do Summer. Here, go ahead and try. I'll take that coin back. Thank you. Hey, give me my coin back. 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 Okay, my coin slot is breaking right now. Sorry, you guys. I will take this out. No, I will not. Okay, I will just put my coin in. Toop. And it comes out. Summer, now you do it. Put it in. Okay, so she got the coin in there. Finally did not come out. And now get some toys to fall in. Okay, you got some toys. Now twist it, twist it, twist it. Here, I'll help you. I'll tilt it back. No, instead of that, there we go. There we go. I'll put that up. And here you go, some. Here are all your toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 Shopkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, the rest are also all Shopkins. Come on, Tennessee. Tennessee. There we go. Go ahead and go play with the Orbeez. Okay, she's playing with the frozen Orbeez. Oh, she's off camera. There's Summer. There. Let's let you do it now. Here, I'll get you another fake coin. Go ahead and put it in. Here. Here. I'll get another good coin, but fake. And you can go ahead and put it in now. Same what Summer did. Twist. We also are going to see whoever gets more. You know what? We'll do this an easier way. Oh, she got 4. Oh, what you got? Mommy's going to go one more time the easy way. Some toys. I did not get all of them, you guys. I got 4 as well. Summer, you're beating us.